Alka, I heard you've started your own eco-friendly bakery. That's amazing.
Thanks, Meera. It's been a lifelong dream. Something I wanted to do after retirement once I had the time and freedom.
But starting a business isn't easy. How did you fund it?
Honestly, through years of disciplined investing, I had a SIP running in a retirement fund.
That's smart. Can you tell me more about retirement funds?
These are mutual fund schemes aimed at helping investors create a corpus for retirement. They usually invest in a mix of equity and debt, with the allocation depending on the scheme type and risk profile. They come with a lock-in period to encourage long-term investing.
That's interesting. I might also explore investing in one.
Absolutely. Just be sure to understand the product, risks, and whether it fits your goal. Good luck, Meera.
On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.